this video, we are taking you on a nostalgic ride through time, highlighting the best Korean drama of each year from 2015 to 2025. Let's dive in. Year 2015. Drama name Heela. Kicking off our list is Heela, the standout drama of 2015 that masterfully blended action, romance, and mystery. Ji Chang-wook stars as Seo Young-hoo, a night courier with the codename Heela who takes on dangerous missions. But when he's hired to protect a young reporter named Chae Young-shin played by Park Min-young, he becomes entangled in a web of conspiracies tied to a decades-old incident. As secrets unravel and emotions deepen, Heela delivers pulse-pounding action and tender romance in equal measure. It remains a fan favorite to this day for its intense chemistry, tight plot, and stylish direction. 2016 drama Goblin Guardian, The Lonely and Great God. 2016 was a landmark year for K-dramas, and Goblin, Above Kiss and Smile A the rest to claim the crown. This epic fantasy romance tells the haunting story of Kim Shin played Gong Yu, a 900-year-old immortal goblin cursed to walk the earth until his destined bride removes the sword lodged in his chest, releasing him from his eternal suffering. Enter Ji Yoon Tak played by Kim Go Yoon, a high school student who can see ghosts and claims to be the goblin's bride. Their growing bond is complicated, heartfelt, and beautifully tragic. With unforgettable characters like the Grim Reaper and Yoo In-na, Goblin explored themes of love, fate, redemption, and friendship. Its place as one of the most iconic K-dramas of all time. Year 2017. Drama Strong Woman Do Bong Soon. 2017 brought something refreshingly different, a romantic comedy drama with a powerful twist. Strong Woman Do Bong Soon follows the story of Bong Soon played by Park Bo Young, sweet girl born with superhuman strength. This power, passed down to the women in her family, gives her the physical might of a superhero, but she just wants to make video games and fall in love. When she becomes the bodyguard of An Min-hyuk played by Park Hyung-sik, the eccentric CEO of a gaming company, sparks fly. Their chemistry is electric, full of playful banter, sweet moments, and gradual emotional growth. Add in a love triangle with her childhood crush, In Guk-do, and a thrilling serial kidnapping case, and Strong Woman Do Bong Soon becomes a well-rounded crowd pleaser. 7. Year 2018. Drama Mr. Sunshine. Sweeping into 2018 with grandeur and gravitas, Mr. Sunshine took storytelling to a cinematic level. This historical epic stars Lee Byung-hun as Eugene Choi, a Korean boy who escapes to the US after tragedy and returns decades later as a US Marine officer. There, he meets Go A-shin played by Kim Tae-ri, an aristocratic noblewoman secretly involved in Korea's independence movement. Against the backdrop of the looming Japanese colonization, Mr. Sunshine tells a moving story of patriotism, sacrifice, and forbidden love. With stunning visuals, a powerful soundtrack, and a cast of unforgettable characters, this drama is truly a masterpiece. Year 2019. Drama Crash Landing on You. Crash Landing on You became a worldwide sensation in 2019. This unexpected love story between a South Korean heiress and a North Korean soldier proved that love knows no boundaries. Sun Ye-jin plays Yoon Se-ri, a fashion mogul who accidentally paraglides into North Korea and lands in the arms of Captain Ri Young-hyuk played by Hyun Bin, a stoic and principled officer. As he hides her from authorities, romance blossoms amidst danger and cultural differences. With its clever writing, emotional depth, and charming secondary characters, Crash Landing on You went on to become one of the highest-rated cable dramas in history. The real-life romance between the lead actors only added to the magic, making it a legendary series. 5. Year 2020. Drama It's Okay Not to Be Okay. This K-drama is eye candy from start to the end. Think stylish outfits, abandoned mansions, fairy tales that come to life in stunning animations and a swoon-worthy Pinterest palette. Mostly set in a psychiatric hospital and an old mansion, a children's book author played by Seo Ye-ji, a psychiatric nurse played by Kim Soo-hyun and his autistic artist brother Oh Young-se, who is a fan of the author, cross paths. The drama shows mental illness and its implications through a humane lens. Original Laughing Dog, The Zombie Kid, The Boy Who Fed on Nightmares and Old Fairy Tales. Bluebeard, Dancing Girls Find a Place in This Drama filled with nightmares, butterflies, art and warm-hearted humans. Most of all, it was Oh Young-se who stole my heart and had me weeping. 4. Year 2021. Drama Squid Game. Squid Game wasn't just the best drama of 2021, it was a global cultural juggernaut. No drama has shaken the global landscape quite like Squid Game did in 2021. Created by Hwang Dong-hyuk, the show imagines a dystopian competition where 456 death-ridden individuals risk their lives playing deadly childhood games for a life-changing prize. Lee Young-jae stars as Gi-hun, an everyman whose humanity is tested amidst the brutality. With over 2.2 billion viewing hours on Netflix, multiple Emmy wins, and a flood of international recognition, Squid Game broke barriers for Korean content. Its iconic imagery, biting social commentary, and unforgettable tension will be remembered for decades to come. Year 2022. Drama All of Us Are Dead. In 2022, the zombie apocalypse was reimagined through the lens of teenage survival with All of Us Are Dead. Set in a high school suddenly overrun by a virus outbreak, this intense thriller chronicles a group of students trapped within the school walls, fighting not only zombies but also betrayal, fear, and heartbreak. The show drew praise for its realistic portrayal of youth, strong ensemble cast, and relentless pacing. It became the fifth most watched non-English show on Netflix and revitalized the zombie genre with its emotional depth and sharp storytelling. 2. Year 2023. Drama The Glory. 2023 introduced, The Glory was destined to be a super hit. A bloody, bold revenge thriller that sees Moon Dong-yoon played by Song Hye-kyo get brutal revenge on her childhood bullies. It's everything that we love about K-thrillers, dark, bloody, and chock full of twists. It's a shame it was cut in two for no reason, and you do sometimes have to work to root for Dong-yoon as she straight up terrorizes people. But a top-tier cast and a wickedly dark tone make it an excellent addition to an already crowded list of great South Korean thrillers. 1. Year 2024. Drama Lovely Runner. 2024 was the year of Lovely Runner, a beautifully crafted time travel romance that left viewer teary-eyed and spellbound. Kim Hye-yoon plays I.M. Sol, a devoted fan devastated by the tragic death of her favorite idol, Yoo Sun-jae played by Byung Woo Seok. When she's mysteriously transported back to 2008, she seizes the chance to save him from his doomed fate. The drama stands out for its emotional storytelling, nostalgic Y2K vibes, and the palpable chemistry between the leads. While other dramas like Queen of Tears also made waves, it was Lovely Runner that truly captured the hearts of viewers with its poignant message about destiny, love, and second chances. It's 2025, and we've already seen strong dramas like When Life Gives You Tangerines, Buried Hearts, and Labor Attorney No Mujin. The year's best drama may be yet to come. And there you have it, the best Korean drama of each year from 2015 to 2025. Which one is your all-time favorite? Did your pick make the list? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a K-drama update. Thanks for watching.